Here in this question, we can say that the role of the the chiasmatic nucleus, that is a SCN, in the circadian rhythms is the neurons generate 24-hour rhythm in themselves. So this is the answer that we have chosen. Let's also add the fact that the SCN is often referred to as the body's biological clock because it contains cells that can produce a near 24-hour cycle of activity, helping to regulate the circadian rhythms. So let me help you with the answer here. The role of the suprachiasmatic nucleus, this is in short said to be SCN, in circadian rhythm is